It has helped me so much to see other women who have gone through hair loss as they've been open and honest about their experiences, because it's that exact same idea that no, I'm no longer alone. Because when you go to the grocery store and you see other moms who are in sweatpants and have a messy bun, you feel alike and you don't feel bad about wearing sweatpants and a messy bun. But when you don't see any other women with significant hair loss, it can make you feel like you're alone. So being able to see others who have gone through it and who have found solutions, then it gives you a lot more hope. Stepping into the world of toppers has been really interesting. It was really intimidating at first until I actually got one. I feel like it's like going on a roller coaster, and it's the anticipation that really gets you. And then as soon as you take the plunge, then it's 30 seconds. It's so much more exciting and more fun than what you think it is. So now that I actually wear toppers on a pretty regular basis, I don't feel so intimidated, and I don't feel so kind of conspicuous all the time, like, oh, everybody's gonna see all my business. But you know, now it just feels like a natural, normal part of life. I have only ever used UniWigs. I met with Lacie Rodriguez. I had followed her on Instagram, and I scheduled a consultation with her about a year ago. And she had several different options for me, and the one that I landed on was from UniWigs, and it was affordable and it was really good quality, and I have loved it ever since. So I have continued to get updates about sales and promotions and stuff like that. So when I got another one in February, I decided I wanted a new one, and that's the one I'm wearing now, and I absolutely love it. I feel like I want to be able to share my hair loss story with other people, because I can't be the only one who's gone through it or who will go through it. And so often I have felt like I've been going through this alone. And so if there's other women out there who I can help not feel alone, then that's going to be pretty worth it.